In this video, I show you how to get started with SuperDuperDB. SuperDuperDB is a Python project for bringing AI to your database data store. We're open sourced and on GitHub at superduperdb/superduperdb. The quickest way to get started is with a pip install. Pip install SuperDuperDB. If you open an IPython terminal, you'll see that you can then import the package. If we navigate back to GitHub, you'll see there's lots of resources here at the top. For instance, our documentation and blog. Also, use cases which are hosted also on the documentation website. And you'll see this link here, Live Notebooks. So if I click on Live Notebooks, a Jupyter Lab session will be provisioned. If any warnings come up here, just close them and you'll see on the left the use cases as notebooks ready to be executed live in your browser. So for instance, if I click on MNIST I can see how to use SuperDuperDB with PyTorch. And get started immediately. If I navigate back to this session, I'll be able to recover the same notebooks as previously. Please give us a star, like, share, and become part of the conversation. Happy coding!